This investor, she have really good assets, and not only in properties that she rent, but also in service providers. She called before heading there to clean and sanitize the house and clean the carpet. She called the landscaping company. She called the Terminator Pest Control Service before we enter to the house. So a realtor management company or an investor needs to have a team that she can send the address and say, give me a code and let's do the house, because we have to flip the house to the new tenant, okay? The more time that you take to clean and renovate the house is losing money to the homeowners or the investor. So she knew that we are capable to do this kind of job, that is not only cleaning or light cleaning the surface, but also removing all the trash. And we don't do light cleaning. We have regular clients for maintenance, but this kind of job is called move out cleaning, complete bundle, trash removal, and cleaning sanitizes the bathroom, taking some garbage to the landfill, and also clean the carpets. So we don't do it in one day. We have to take 2 days or 3 days, depending how big is the job. And thanks God that any house cleaning have a really good, stable team that work together. I'm gonna tell you how we do it. First, we go with Sonia to do the estimate, we inspect, and then I'm thinking in my mind what I need, how many days, how many people, how I'm gonna distribute the job between regular clients and this kind of service. The first step is taking out all the garbage, because if the garbage is still inside the house, it's gonna be really bad odor, you know. So removing all the trash and putting in the court or the side of the house. That's the first step. And also one of the first steps before removing all the garbage is using an electrostatic sprayer and spray in all the areas that we are gonna touch or be in contact a disinfectant. We use a vital oxide. I have another short video. I don't know if I'm gonna add that video to this video, but we are using electrostatic sprayer, the vital oxide. Victory Innovation, that's the machine, to sanitize and spray the vital oxide to minimize the bacteria and remove the odor. And this is the step that we do for us. After that, we remove all the garbage and the things that we have to throw it out and I see in good condition. For example, one of the bedrooms, there was a bunk bed. So I put free bunk bed in Facebook, and a lady that needs for the kids came and picked it up, the bunk bed, because I'm gonna destroy the bunk beds and put it in the landfill, so it's not worth it. That bunk bed. The beds and the mattress were in bad condition, so we throw it out in the landfill. Now you are seeing the carpet. The carpet was really, really bad shape. A lot of paint, blue paint, red stains. I think that someone smoked inside the house. There was kids, because I noticed that a lot of gum stick on the fabric of the carpet fibers. A pool outside, it was a mess. Even if I recording and take photos, they don't do justice for the reality. A lot of traffic area. This is one of the bedrooms, and the window was broken, so I notified the client, the owner of the house, that she needs to replace that window. And even inside between the glass of the window, the broken glass, you see a burned bread. Imagine that. So communication with the the homeowners, investor, or management company is crucial. Take photo, inspect, take the time, make notes. Try to plan how you're gonna do it. Is crucial, right? So save time and money, because you have to have the right equipment, the cleaning products, take some photo before and after, and then after you work, send everything to the person who hired, send the invoice to the final payment, and that's it. We collect the 40%, depending of the cases, between 40 and 60% in advance, and the rest on the day that we finish. Besides removing the trash, the carpet was in bad condition, really bad condition. And it was challenging to clean and remove all the gum stick on the surface. This is the reason why we use professional carpet cleaning products, red spot removers, steam to do a transfer for the red color to the towel. So many things that we have to take in consideration. And of course, sanitizing and deodorizing the carpets. Um, After vacuuming all the areas, the vacuum that we used in that house was the workhorse because it has a strong power of suction. It removes a lot of dry soil, and I consider that in heavy cleaning we use that kind of machine. Also, we use the tops Trinity Phoenix OP machine with fiber pads, microfiber pads with the cleaning products to agitate the fabric. Now I'm showing the cleaning services how it came. I record a little bit and then I took some photos and give it to the owner of the property so she can make the final payment. She make a deposit to separate those days for her in 1 week in advance. So we use different type of products depending on how bad is the carpet or how bad is the condition of the surface. Regular Ecolab cleaning product to clean and sanitize all the bathrooms and all the surface in the kitchen, inside the refrigerator, things like that. The carpet, as I mentioned before, it was kind of challenge because we found a lot of gum stick onto the fabric, and we used to remove and release the gum. The product that is by Tops, Top Spot, it was a really good product to remove the gum. Also, we use some spotting tools like the bone scraper and the spotting brush to remove those gum from the carpet, and then agitate with the phonics with the cleaning products. The cleaning products that we use to clean the carpet was bought in NCAP store. We use dragon citrus, that is a natural citrus, and plant-based booster with some oxy, all together with the green dragon. It came really good. The carpet, I was impressed. Also, the product that we were using to remove the red stains was called the Red Alert by NCAP store. This store from cleaning products, I like the customer service. This is the second time that I order for them. I'm testing other products from them also. Next week we have more carpet cleaning to do. As I mentioned before, I don't know if I mentioned this. This kind of job takes at least 2 days or even 3. In this case, a specific case, we took 3 days in different hours after our other clients. The first day was removing all the trash, sanitizing for us, and then me, like Fiorella, was doing the heavy part of the bathroom, making ready for the girls to go and finalize the cleaning and sanitize the bathroom. So I do the heavy duty part, remove all the trash, and then they put everything beautiful, right? Osmarly was the person in charge to remove all the garbage and go to the landfill, and she helped me a lot to clean also the carpets. This type of work is heavy duty, move out for realtors, management company, or homeowners or tenants that are willing to pay whatever is fair for them and for me to do a really good job. I'm not cheap, but I'm not also, oh my God, it's so expensive. I think that the price that we set is really fair for the market. It gives a lot of value, and we are proud of serve all Polk County, Champions Gate, Davenport, Haines City, Ponciana, cities that are really close to us. We are willing to travel, of course. We have a lot of videos before and after jobs. If you need more information, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. We have plenty of videos on YouTube, TikTok, all the social media. Thank you. And it's a long video, but I just want to share with you the bundle service for realtors or management company.